వెల్కమ్ టు వేవ్స్ మీడియా. దేశంలోనే ప్రతిష్టాత్మక విద్యా సంస్థలకు వేదికగా అవుతున్న ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాజధాని అమరావతిలో బిర్లా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ అండ్ సైన్సెస్ బిట్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నట్లు ప్రకటించిన కుమార మంగళం బిర్లా 2,000 కోట్ల పెట్టుబడితో డిజిటల్ ఫస్ట్ ఆపరేషన్స్తో ఐఓటీ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేసి క్యాంపస్ నిర్మిస్తున్నట్టు చెప్పారు. 7,000 మంది విద్యార్థులు చదువుకునే విధంగా క్యాంపస్ నిర్మిస్తున్నారని తెలియజేశారు.
Hub for tomorrow. So we are getting ready to set up a new facility at Amravati in Andhra Pradesh, and we see it as a bold step to transform higher education in India. This campus will be a hub for innovation and interdisciplinary learning, focused on AI, emerging technologies, and industry collaboration. It will bridge academic excellence with real-world application, nurturing leaders, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers. We want our young minds, the brightest minds from the country, to have all the knowledge they can possibly get in the classroom on all the dominant technologies of our time. With global partnerships, cutting-edge programs, and a dynamic learning environment, it aims to shape the next generation of talent for India and for the world. So, for example, just to give you some instances, undergrad programs, regular and twinning programs. Twinning programs would mean 2 years in Amravati and 2 years in a university overseas with specialization in, like I said, the dominant technologies of today: AI, data science, ML, robotics, computational linguistics, and LLMs, cyber physical systems with AI. And all of this comes with industry internships, cross-disciplinary electives, and dual degree options. Also, for example, joint PhDs with international universities in areas like generative AI, smart cities, and AI for healthcare. 2-year degree programs including MTech in AI, ML, MSc in AI-driven innovation, so on and so forth. So we basically that campus will cater to, or rather focus on, all the dominant technologies that all of us know about today. And we think it's important that our young minds that will lead the India of tomorrow be not just conversant, but know in depth what these technologies